Hey, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you're having a wonderful weekend. I'm not going to keep you long so you can get back to it. First chart we have here is Theta. So Theta looks like it's going to finish right here at the top of the bar here, which is coming at the bottom of the Kumo cloud at 235. And that's going to appear to be probably as much as you can get out of it on this particular run for now. It's trying to push deeper into the cloud, but the 230 level is proven to be a bit much. This 235 level is proven to be a pretty strong resistance in your theta at this time. So we'll see. It's still early in the game. You had the rally alert. Now you got this. Still got the bullish trend momentum reading. So you're still locked in a bull trend right now. So there's a possibility the market could get back deeper into the cloud and then use this 235 as a support as it, treks higher and then breaks out and get back above 3. But you're still in a corrective mode for now, just FYI. So definitely keep your eyes peeled on the theta. On the Zcash ZEC, still rather early as well. So you had that rally alert. Then the market is trying to move up. So 25 now seems to be the next upside target. And then after that, we'll have the 29. So between 25 and 29 is your resistance zone for the ZEC Zcash. Next, you have XRP Ripple. All right, it's still locked into the bullish trend momentum reading, even though you crossed over into, a bear market scenario here. You had this positive bot check, and you are starting to see the market try to explode higher. Still in a corrective phase, though. And so your next resistance is going to be here at the bottom of the Kumo cloud. And we'll call this 61, 62, something like that. So that's where you're headed now on this one. Next, we have the mighty silver. So silver gave us a crash alert on Friday's close. All right, so we got a crash alert for Sunday night into Monday's trading. And the top of the Kumo cloud here at 2427 is our initial downside target on that one. Next, we have the Dow futures. So Dow futures is now officially in a free fall status, and as it heads deeper into corrective mode, and the downside is starting to accelerate. Next, we have the NASDAQ 100, same thing, falling outside of the Kumo cloud, and the market is starting to accelerate the free fall status to the downside. Next, we have gold. So gold powered back up and, totally erasing the crash alert that we had there. So it just kicked that right out. And now the market is looking to break out and rally into new highs. So definitely keep your head on a swivel for this one too. If the market breaks out, then that'll be the beginning of another leg higher, another bull run coming for you in gold. Next is the E-mini S&P 500. And as you can see here, the market stopped short 498. 49.80 is your support, somewhere around there. All right. That's your bottom of the Kumo cloud support. And once that is taken out, the market goes into a free fall status, and that's what this bar did. It dropped below that, so it has officially put the S&P into a deepening corrective mode to the downside, free fall status. Crude oil is doing the different thing. It rallied, but it's still in a corrective state. Still has a bearish trend momentum reading, and so we're still expecting for this market to continue to correct. You do have the bullish algo shift. We'll see if that's enough to turn the tide. But for now, it's looking like this market's still in a corrective phase with a bearish trend momentum reading. Next is the euro. It is in free fall status, deepening the correction. and also is starting to cross over into a bear market again. All right, so we went from bearish to bullish back to bearish again. So this market is really consolidating and flip-flopping all over the place, and we do expect a lot more downside to come even with the bullish algo shift. All right, next we have the pound sterling, which is already in a free fall status, crossing over from bull market to the beginning stages of a bear market, meaning you're looking at the top of the bear market, and you have accelerating to the downside with a bearish trend momentum reading. So the correction is deepening. Next, we have the Aussie, which also is deepening into the corrective state. It's accelerating to the downside, gunning for this old 52-week low support of 62.78. And we have here a deepening correction. And we also have that positive bot check. So at some point, the market's going to come back to here. But for now, it's still accelerating to the downside. The Russell also accelerating to the downside in free fall status. The correction is deepening, and this market is gunning for the 52-week lows. Next, we have the Ethereum futures also in a free fall status. The downside correction is intensifying. Next, we have here the Bitcoin future. So you had the rally alert coming into it. Market gave a little bit of upside production and then just stopped short, not rallying, not falling. And this is still within a correction status. It's not, the correction's not worsening at this moment. It's kind of paused at this moment. So we'll see what it does. This is a very enormous, wide Kumo cloud here, to say the least, very wide, where you have very, very large width here. So you're looking at like 63,340 on the top and 56,470 on the bottom of the Kumo cloud support. So rather wide trading range here. So definitely watch out for that as well. US dollar index still high, still hanging on up here above 106. And you do have a bearish algo shift that is putting pressure on it like it did back here before the market cracked. And it's the same pattern emerging. We shall see. But for now, this market is still hot, still strong, locked in bull market, bullish trend momentum reading. There's nothing bearish on the chart to really talk about. All right, folks. So with that being said, the reports have been updated. All you have to do is log into your dashboard, and you shall be able to see the new reports. And if you have any questions or what have you, to hit me up. I'm not adding anything right now. I'm just gonna hold what I got, and then we'll make that determination after the market opens. If anything changes, I'll definitely keep you abreast of the situation. If I do add something, it will probably be to the Dow and maybe the Russell. But for now, I'm going to just let the market do what the market do. All right, you guys know the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And on that note, I'm out. Peace.